What is the difference between butter and margarine? Butter is made from milk or cream and contains natural fats. It offers a rich, creamy flavor that many of us adore. However, it's also high in saturated fats, which might not be the healthiest option in large quantities. On the other hand, margarine is a spread made from vegetable oils, and it's often marketed as a healthier alternative to butter due to its lower saturated fat content. It's also fortified with vitamins like A and D, which can be beneficial. Now here's an important point. Some margarines used to contain trans fats, which are particularly unhealthy. However, many modern margarine brands have removed trans fats from their formulas, making them a safer choice. When it comes to nutritional profile, both butter and margarine have their pros and cons. Butter contains natural fats and vitamins like A and E, but it's high in saturated fats. Margarine, while lower in saturated fats, might have more processed ingredients. Lastly, consider the usage. Butter's flavor makes it ideal for baking and adding richness to dishes. Margarine's milder taste makes it versatile for spreading and cooking, but the choice depends on personal preference.